I was waiting for the summer to do this design and for the right color. Last week I received a new kit from Modelones that includes beautiful pastel gel polish colors, some accessories and LED lamp. It is very small and super lightweight, but it's powerful enough to cure gels and gel polishes. So let's do extensions, donut nail art and test drive this LED lamp. Coming up! Hello guys, this is Anastasia. Let's unpack Modelones Kit. It includes LED lamp, which is pink color, and some gel polishes. Let's turn it on. There are a few options on how you can use it. Once you put the hand inside of the lamp, it will turn on automatically. Or you can also click on the button and choose the time, which can be 30, 60 or 90 seconds. Once you take it off, it will turn off automatically. Base coat and top coat, you can always tell the difference by the color of the cap. The base coat is always silver and the top coat is golden. Gel polish collection that includes 6 colors, small volumes. The bottle is only 7 milliliters. You can see the color not only here on the top, but here they have this little window so you can see the actual color of the gel polish. And the consistency is medium thick. Gel polishes by Modelones are one of my favorite products to use now because of the consistency. It's very convenient to apply it and you will not flood the cuticles. And also take a look at the coverage. I'm applying only one coat on top of the clear tip and it is enough, which means you will not need to spend time doing multiple coats, like 2 or 3, because one coat will be enough. It seems like I like every single color from this collection because they're so cute, and I'm also a big fan of pastel shades. Seems like I would not need to think about the design too much because they match perfectly all together and you can use them all or several colors. This is the swatch with one coat and no top coat. We're not done with unpacking yet because there's another kit of accessories that's included. There's 100/180 buffer and a file, also 100/180, a soft brush, you can clean the dust with it, black toe separators, they look so stylish, cuticle oil in the pen, which is so convenient to use, metallic pusher and this blade removal cuticle thingy, normally I don't use it, and nippers. This is my model for today. She has some free edge, which means we can use those nippers because it's going to take much longer if we do it with a hand file. The reason I'm trimming her nails short because we're about to do nail extensions, stiletto nails. We're going to start with the prep. I normally do dry manicure using electric nail file, flame-shaped bit. This is diamond bead with red abrasive mark. The speed is about 17,000 rotations per minute. When I finish pushing back the cuticles, I take off the surface shine and I use 180 grit file because nails of this client are rather strong and healthy, but if you're dealing with damaged or sensitive nails, I recommend to use a softer nail file such as 220 grit. And finally, I trim the cuticles using manicure scissors. I noticed that you guys been asking me about how long does it normally take to do dry manicure and nail prep. It depends on the nails. Normally it takes me around 20 to 30 minutes. Then I apply dehydrator and I will use Modelones base coat, which can be used as the base coat for gel overlay and soft gel extensions as well. Apply a thin coat without touching the surrounding skin. Do not apply too much. If you accidentally applied something on the skin, clean it before you're going to cure it in the lamp. You can apply it on 4 nails and cure them for 30 seconds in LED. And then I apply it on the thumb, and while the thumb is curing, I apply it on the opposite hand. Then we're going to do extensions, which is not going to take me more than 20 minutes because I will be doing soft gel tips. I'm using the special gel for them. I will leave the link to this product as well. And the lamp is definitely strong enough to cure the colors and the soft gel tips gel. Then I take off the sticky layer from the base coat near the cuticle because if you notice the way I apply them, I do not apply all the way to the cuticle. I have a little margin because then I'm going to file it off and add some product. This way, once the nails will grow, this area will be seamless and also they're going to last longer. But when you're doing this tip blending with a carbide bit, make sure that you're filing only the tip. Do not touch the natural nail because carbide bit is very harsh. If you accidentally file the nail plate even just a little bit, it will be overfiled quite easily. Or you can use a different method and do it with a hand file, but it is going to take you much longer. I think soft gel extensions are a great tool for nail artists who prefer to focus on the nail art. Because imagine you have this amazing idea in mind, you want to create some kind of design, but first you need to build the nails. Doing nails on forms or on tips is going to take you longer, while on soft gel tips it's just a matter of 20 minutes. But keep in mind that soft gel tips will not work for all of the nail types. If you're dealing with challenging nails such as short beaten nails, ski jump nails, nails growing downwards, then it is better to do sculptured nails. After applying and blending the tips, I slightly shape them because these stiletto tips are pointy. I just wanted to make the edge a little softer, and then I buff the surface using 180 side of the buffer. Normally I do not use the side which is 100, only when I'm going to file and shape polygel or hard gel nails. After filing and shaping and buffing the tips, I normally ask my clients to wash their hands because I want to be sure that we do not have any dust there, and I hate it when these dust particles get inside of the top coat or the color, so when washing your hands you will definitely avoid it. Then I apply a milky color which is from another collection of Builder colors by Modelones, and the pink color on the pinky. Then I'm going to use the rest of the colors from this collection to create sprinkles on the donut nail. This one is going to be the easiest design. I just applied the background and then some sprinkles. I seal the milky nails with the matte top coat, cure it for 60 seconds in LED because I want to create this glazed donut look. And I think this is a good way to achieve it because now we have matte background and we're going to do the glossy cream of the donut. My idea was to create something like a French nails, but in the style like the drips of the cream of the donut. I don't know if it makes sense, but let me know if I succeeded achieving this look. Since Modelones gel polishes have such a great coverage, it means that you can use them not only for the regular overlay or just as the background color, you can also do nail art, and the consistency is good enough for it as well. It's not too runny, so you can do the drips and all kinds of designs. After I created the pink part, I cure it for 1 minute in LED and then add the sprinkles on top. Oh man, when I look at it through the camera, it looks so pale now, but in the real life, the pink looks much brighter. I will take some pictures and videos later outside so you can see it for yourself. Then we cure it for 1 minute again in LED, and I'm going to seal with the glossy top coat only the pinky nail, and on the rest of the nails, I'm going to seal the part with the cream only. I know that not everyone likes matte top coat, so this is just one of the options of how you can do this design. If you prefer the full glossy 100% shiny look, then simply skip the part where I sealed it with a matte top coat, add some glaze on top and seal it with a glossy top coat right away. By the way, I love glossy top coat by Modelones as well because it gives amazing shine. It stays for a long time and it still looks shiny, and you can also use it for sealing nail art as I do now because the consistency is also medium thick and it's not too runny, so it allows me to apply it on the top and do not flood the matte nail area part, you know, the one where I would not like it to be. As I was glazing the nails, applying glossy top coat, I felt like I kind of want a donut now. And since we bought some, of course, for the final pictures and videos, I was feeling excited because after the shoot we're definitely going to try them, but it never happened and you will see why in a few moments. Finally, we need to cure it for 60 seconds in LED lamp, and then I'm going to apply some cuticle oil around the cuticles to moisturize them, and in general the skin and the sidewalls are going to look better. I get this question a lot, Anastasia, why you're not using a cuticle oil for your clients? Normally I do, I just do it after I'm taking the final photos and videos, but this time I'm going to show it to you. I don't apply too much because it's still going to do the work even if you apply a little bit and gently massage it into the side walls. Also, I do not want the client to have this uncomfortable feeling when they reach for their purse or anything else that everything around them is going to be oily. This is the final look. Let me know what you think. The links to the products that I used will be in the description box as usual, as well as the discount code. And if you're wondering why we didn't get to eat the donuts, well, here's why. But look at this coverage. You definitely cannot see through this color. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe because I post new tutorials and product reviews just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye.